Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making chocolate biscuits. We're going to start by creaming the butter by itself just to get some air incorporated. There's 180 grams of butter there, or you could use margarine, and then we're going to incorporate a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence and 3/4 cup of caster sugar. Now we're going to leave this to cream for 6 to 7 minutes. This helps to incorporate a bit of air into the mixture as well as get the granules of sugar really well incorporated. We're then going to add an egg and mix it together until it's all combined. Now you could do this by hand or a hand mixer. I'm using my KitchenAid just because it was easier at the time. Now we're going to sift together 2 cups of plain flour with half a cup of cocoa. Now I like to put a cup of plain flour on top, then mix the cocoa, then a cup of flour, but you do it the way that you want to do it. Now it's time to mix together the flour and the wet ingredients, and don't be like me and put it in a bowl that is way too small and then have to try and figure out how to do it without making your kitchen an absolute mess. I ended up just giving a quick mix with a spatula before putting the attachment back on and giving it a good go. Once you've got like a soft chocolate ice cream texture, it's now time to make the biscuits. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls and then place it on a lined tray. Push it down with a spoon to lay it flat or ridgy and flat, and you can place a white chocolate chip on top, or you can place it into the mixture, up to you. Now place them into a 180-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Once they're to a texture that you're happy with, pull them out. I really like these biscuits because they're really easy to make and they're nice and soft in the middle, which is always a bonus. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you try them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.